Hi everyone, myself Trivedi. I am from the cloud computing department. I am presenting about my mini Insta web app under the subject of an UDNT, and these are my contents that are the introduction, problem statement, objectives, system requirement, architecture, scope and limitations, and the implementation part. And introduction part, the social media platform generates a large volume of an dynamic and the unstructured data. In a traditional relational database face the limitations in a handling such data efficiently, and MongoDB, a NoSQL database, provides a flexible and scalability. GM Insta is designed as a simplified model of a social media application to understand these modern database concepts. And in a problem statement, the design and development a mini social media application that efficiently handle the user interaction such as posts, likes, comments, and the messaging using a scalable database system. The system should manage a large and dynamic data while ensuring the good performance. In a objective parts, to understand the NoSQL database concept and to understand a scalable database using the MongoDB, and to implement the code operations, and to develop a core social media features, and to interact the front end, back end, and the database. And system requirement, we have used software requirements that is NoSQL, MongoDB, VS Code, and web browser. For the hardware requirements, we have used the 6 GB RAM and processor i3 or above, such as we have used an i5 core and the basic computer system. And in a system architecture, the system follows the three-tier architecture. That front end user, in a front end user interface, in a back end handles the logics and the API requirements, and in a database the MongoDB stores the data, and data flows from the input, and it will process in the back end, and it will store the important details in a database, and its response is displayed on the screen. And the scopes and the limitations of our project is, the scopes are user registration and the authentication, post creation and the viewing, like and comment features, basic messaging systems, and and limitations that are the no advanced security mechanisms, and implementing the real time functionalities and basic user interface, and this is not suitable for the large scale development. And I'll show my implementation part of my web app now. That how the mini insta store the database in a MongoDB compass. Here I'm connecting the MongoDB, and here you can see that the storage, it will store here the comments, messages, posts, stories, and the users. Here you can see the storage size, and here in a comment section I will open, and it will store the object id and the comment id and post id, which on which post you are posted the comment, and user id and text of comment text it will store, and the created time it will store here. In a message part, it will store the object id and the message id, and sender's id and receiver's id, and the message text seen or if you seen the message then false, it will delivery then true. And here I have added the two database for messages. And for post, the object id it will store, and the post id, user id, and the caption like gm insta, and images, likes and the dislikes, and how many counts that added, the how many likes it have and how many dislikes it have, and comment part it will store here. And in user profile id it will store the user's name and email id, and later password, and you can add bio, and it will store here, and followers and the following. This all we can store in a MongoDB Compass. And this is our gm insta web app here, and this is the login page. Here we have given the three options for logging through, and you can log in through the Google, or you can create the new account. If you have any account already you have created, you can log in through that here by giving the email and password. And this is our page after login, and this is the home field, and this is the search option for posts or the users you can. And here is the create, you can post the images or the videos through that images url link. And this is the real time chat conversation, and you can chat through the real time here like this. And next you have and we can see here the profile page. Here I have already created one post, and later you can like some posts or dislike it, and you can comment for that also. Here I am commenting something nice, and here is I have already and this is the comment option, or you like it, and here you can give comments. Here I am, here I am again posting some photo through its URL link, and this is the image. You can write the caption here, and later you can post it, and it will reflect in your home page, and you can see that in your profile page also. You can also like and comment for that. And this is how our page works.